pick up right now?
Okay, quick one. Mijina, Accra Circuit Court, Court 10. Na Madam Anas Judge Evelyn Asamoah ne train dwom. Na na ya ikasai na Agradaa Court Jailed no. Na nyina na se yebeka ya 2022 na woye all night bi e wona sorry. Na so ma enipa bi ba bonten beka se Agradaa agigi wo musika. Na so ma police for ebeche Agradaa. Ebeche Agradaa chi no. Womo e de ne court a 2022 no. Asem no omuguso ID Ghana for beka ya sabre ni mu na Agradaa womo remande no a oda mu be se 1 month na enu achi no amanfo bebre ni se asem no ekura eto atwa ene na court kwa asetena watena ase na wadi asem no na yakasa yi ansa na court kwa ede ne sentence no ebema no o kire se womo fa no nko hospital na monko ye ne test na we se wanyemu isan se emra no e ka ne pefe se oba na se oba sentence oba na se oba abebua na asem a e wo se wo so wanyema na so wanyema ansa enti okoye test ne ba ye no e beto dwa se ni nsem bia eni ba bia enti court sa betena asem no so na wo mo ka asem na mu no na ne lawyer ye Richard Bafo apia Bafo esore ye na okasa isan se ansa na court another judge ebema aye the sentence no I was say lawyer ekasa anaso nipa no a asem fa ne ho no kasa na some lawyer no edi kan say I was say judge no ehwe na otemper justice with mercy ne nyina ne say ko hu ne mobo o de nema bi tutu bi a kire say Agradaa ye o maame a wo ema porepore enum a obaako a odi kan akra na so panin no 24 years ayeka say wono so esua emra na say womo sentence no into custody ebe ha dwen enti nkebe ya enka court ema no non custodial sentence no say yebe sentence no so emfa ne koto afiase ebi ebe ka so nko adwuma bi anase nkebe fine no o kan ni nyina achi no so aka say Agradaa wo akwara aketwa awadi mfinhia be se miensa awo ya akwara wo ba na nka won consider eno achi no na court lawyer no san kan bi o kire say e was say court no san hwe san say maami a e kan Agradaa yi oyo obi ono so kita so de kese na nkofo bebre e wona se a enipa bebre nso nam no so edidi enti enka obe fine no I friend non custodial sentence non custodial sentence buvanjame na utimize aha ayemanyamanya pa ugina court hakra amon person be life no na enti ye kasa ide court eti ni trase judge no lawyer no ewie ne de no na ne lawyer ba ko ka ne ho so so de kakra beto aso na no de to aso nyina ne se ne a lawyer edi kan kan ne no anom so da so egina so se nka omo hwe na nka won fa ne ma do to akwam no hu eye Agradaa mobo eno achi na prosecution enso sori ye me kire omo moboko adu no omo so kan say maami na ikasa ne nyam no lawyer ne kan say maami Agradaa yo bi a wonye bone da anase ye be kan say first time offender no we ni edi kan a wayamfunso bi afei asem ne ba ye kra no maami Agradaa nu ho papa enti court hwe say ne ma we nyina nanka wo hu ne mobo na okasa wie ye no na prosecution enso sori ye a ono so ya ase say oba bekasa ono so kire say maami Agradaa yi oyobi anye ne na wa yes aboni we bi sa aboni we no 2021 oyebi ma yes ye fine no a no so wantumi antua enka obekodam abosome nkron eno na eye charatanic material a na woyi e wo TV so na court gina so a wo de fine no 10,000 Ghana cedis ode ni nyina to ya no kire court say yen so de na no keke na eka prosecution no e wo krata e kire say sa de na omo ka no anase so ye first time offender na nya no kre ode ni nyina atubia eno achi no kan say ohwe maami Agradaa ne ye a wo ye e wo ma Ghana mu a wo yanhwe ye ama yan sentence no into prison custody ama na me ye de sua de ama wo no ene wo man emu nipa nyina ebe ha adwen papa isan say prosecution kra kan say enya de wo hu no hu bia e wo maami Agradaa ene ye hu ne senti wo no de wo ne eye prosecutor me prosecutors no ebe ka say wo mo angel no ana so mo sentences no ma sentences so mo nya den se ne ebe ya betumi aye esua de e de ama nipa bia ne ono Agradaa no owie ye no na court judge siri trust then the pen see what show in krata na ni tete nyina ne se wo kan ni nyina bo mu no na obekire se oman mu emre ba bia ne ho ekire se enepe na akodi bone a na wo se yegya wo na emu no wo ne ye mpo no etumi kire wo se wo no wo hu ni se ewura no nche da nya obi a wanu no ho afei ogina mra kronkron so na wo de abulufo na wo de natum wo kire se saa bone na ye frɛ no false pretense no se wo ho ba se mu a eye se ye timi do utum mfinhia aduonu enum 25 years eno no eye court no anu akasa ne discretion se obete so ama na so emre mo ntimi nte so kra ene se nti no ni ode ma ne se onkoda mu mfie porepore dunum 15 years enti na ye ba court na ye kosi ye no enti ye kasa idie maame Agradaa asem kese na atom na ye mu bi ne enim se betimi akọ ne se ba ne enim se ebetimi akọ 15 years sa abeye ade a eye binim de ebinun so ayebusa nempo yes entro for cry ba ha me one of the people Agradaa some kapa but I wasn't too happy say ye hand over the 15 years na man but to be ne den sa na mra ka no enti bibie ne ho a obetumi aye e wo sa akwa no so enti ye ka say approach for eguso e wo ne ho a mo hwe car aye ready wo hwe ha sese ya police car aye ready ene isi ho a wono no ehwe kwan se Agradaa beba na wabetre mo no mde nako enti ye kase se ne emra ne che no enya de ekwa do fa ofie amwaka so mbibi da ha mefa nkoto yie da bi entesa na am from reactions emra wo hwe court ha central phone je gina ho obi aye ready se obehwe se Agradaa eba na wo mo atwa no enti sa na te e wa ha I am misreactions. Utimi say ebi I happy, ebi nso so enye too happy. And of course, I should admit that I am one of the people Agradaa answer me kapa, but I wasn't expecting 15 years for her. Made the name to say I court no and sentence no crank woman be 3 months and 6 months bi na omfanya adesua de. Na so se ne mra ne ka no enye wadwen na aba be kire wo mra ho emra ye nkire ya adwen wo ho esan se be bia emra wo no emra na ne de ka ho asem enti court nso so ahwe se won komu 15 years ampan sam se ba ahwe ya na court be ka se anase na lawyer for e be ka so me ya appeal enti se appeal ne be ba we are yet to see if the lawyers will make an appeal say e betimi better so e de amana na se be de but as it stands now Nana Agradaa has been sentenced into prison custody for 15 good years. Na nyina de ne say oyi charatanic materials ewo radio so TV so a wo de loin krofo de dada krofo na afenzu agin krofo esika na omade so be ye bibia ma wo enti ene nam so a e ba ne say na wo hwemu a prosecution so ehun say asem no se ne na ekono nipa na mo ye victims no mo doso na nso so utie mu a ebi enso so agya akiredi na nso so ade ana prosecution ehia any evidence nti onya ba akomienu among the number of people no mo victims no pa emra ebetumi aka ho asem frenchim enti na saa na ekosiye ewo eye Accra Circuit Court ebra na otembuo ni maame Evelyn Asamoah eti adwemu no enti na saa na akakoba no we are live here ewo eye Accra Circuit Court enti courtroom 10 eho na sendie no course na wo hwe the facial expression of Agradaa, of course onipa bia na some to you wouldn't be happy, so we don't say nanka one sesre, of course na wo hwe nanim a na wo say wa yemre pa ni kru Asiamah not ne nchen na wono so no aboto papa enya some keto akra na waboto pa na waboto enti sana akwakoba no betumi a share page no sisi ya de amaya enti wo so share page no na enkoma akoso no wo so ehun se ne ekọ e wa ha enti ye twen se omode ne ba be ombepie ye twen se omode ne bepie na obetena police camp no omode nako e ba ne se ya e process omo mfa ne nkọ nsawmu anase prison omode ne ko no enye sisi asa I just omo yes some processes nkrata se bi ombesen sign ene ho bibia e betumi abakra se ene no na wa nkọ straight to prison ho ebia police for enkrata some mo yenti wanwi a obeda police custody na de echi na so mo wi a no mo de no eko enti sa na akwakopie e wo ha obetimi a share page no e de aman oba so ana wa share page no e de aman enti so far that is what the court has said today. Yes, there's a case this case happened in the year 2022 where Agradaa was alleged to have defrauded some people or some church members in Accra, and that police invited her, arrested her, and she was remanded into police custody for a number of days. After it was around 1 month in police custody as when they remanded Agradaa. And now the court has just handed over to her 15 years in imprisonment. It has become a misfeeling here at the Accra Circuit Court. And of course, most of the people were not even expecting this sentence. At least they were of the view that Agradaa should be sentenced, but not to this quantum of years. Inti sana akoba obaha. We are yet to see the facial expression of the husband Asiamah and that of Agradaa. Sana Kokobano. Mame etna dwebno wamano 15 years. Ne lawyer for Esre court no ansa na obema sentence no. Say so obe sentence ni mpa onye no non-custodial sentence. Eno ekire say enka yemfa ne koto afiase. Ebia na sika bia na afan no. Anaso yeso okay adwuma bi wo ha kone kokoye na efa serve sentence no. But amanisa kra amanisa send me dey kan no. I am one of the people but I wasn't expecting 15 years on her. I wasn't expecting at all. In fact, I was even expecting 3 months or 6 months in prison custody. But Manasa, 15 good years. 15 good years is not a joke. So we don't know if the lawyers will appeal for the reduction of the sentence. I don't know. This is it is very early to predict that. But say lawyer for we are all here to, or we live to see the actions of the lawyers if they will still go for an appeal. But as it stands now, we are just outside waiting for her to be taken to the police station and other for other processes to be completed. In Tiaka said, also a courtroom. Ebane say, a sentence so and yen terms sana or there are other processes are Yadobe from and Sana Wako. So as it is now, that is what has just transpired. That is what has just transpired. We are here. We'll share the faces, even the faces of the journalists here in Pukrano. You could see some mixed feelings. A lot of us are not happy that that man of 15 years. That of course, sending a court to No.
So the news we are. Assuring sense, we are 3 years ago. So yeah, all night. Anybody on bar, sorry, no be say. On bar all night. And then Castle Mami, Reverend Mama Pat, Aji Bomusika, which that's moving away because I saw the people go be a just Garamba. Umba for our mouth for you. And you know, a Casatra was there. Namijuman went to us, and it's here. Munam family, dear, Edna, Benjamin, and Yadre. And it's in your bomb by us, I say, we are 5. In Shakam, I tell you, what dear, Chia monitor. How dear? Oh, around Hoy. Who's there? Munamuni, make us say a hard. My cousin, Yamjumia, normal. Because Paul is like your chum to Fias Yamjumaya. Yes, you crucify Yamjumaya. A deep over Brabasa, Siswa. You punish them through imprisonment, and I'm what? Yeah. A people president was assist where you punish them through imprisonment. And Tibia after we know, it's like Sibi and I'm Castle Banner with either Abba. It's Abba send you hard in but any news. I saw the question. I saw the question. I'm going to go yeah. Okay. Some associates of also associates of Mammy. It means sorry. What they are saying. And the first all court and as we are 15 years imprisonment, you know, it's not anything news. Any news.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.